Hello, my name is Catherine Rogers-Casarez, and I am going to give you a brief tutorial on how to access Google Hangouts and how to utilize Google Hangouts as another form of communication. The first thing you will notice is that I am at my home screen. So when you are at your home screen, you are going to want to log into Google Chrome. So I'm going to go into Google Chrome, or you can go into Google. I always go into Chrome. And what you're going to notice is you're going to see on your far top right-hand corner, you're going to see a waffle, or they also call it the 3x3. You're going to click on your Google 3x3 or waffle, and you will see your Google Suite, which will open up several apps. Now, I do not have my Google Hangout app here, so I'm going to go to More. You will see that the Google Hangout app is right here. So you press on that. So what you're going to notice is that your Google Hangout will open, and you can have a video call, you can have a phone call, or you can message. So what you need to do is let's look at the menu options here. So for Google Hangouts, here's the menu option. You may have contacts, you might have conversations, phone calls, you can invite people. You can also get your contacts from synchronizing your phones and such. But one of the other ways you could do it is you can just go right here, to the plus sign, start new conversation. So you can do that, and you can either enter the name, enter the email, or the person's phone number. And once you do that, it'll start working. Now, the video call, if you go to video call, it tells you here, Hangouts, google.com wants to use your microphone and use your camera. You're going to press allow. And then here it says invite people, sending invite as, and then it gives my Gmail. But you can enter a name or send an email to who you're going to invite. And then you simply invite them. Once you invite them, then they will get the email, and then you can start your video conference call. So it's much like what people do nowadays, Skyping and such. You can also invite through on your far right-hand top corner. You can press the little person with a plus, and you can invite them that way. You can copy the link and share it to invite them to your Google Hangout. You can also send a message to everyone in the call. You can show the messages here. You can hide the messages. You can simply do a phone call. You can do a video. You can do you can mute it or unmute it. So this is how you start your Google Hangout. So I will be meeting with one of my professors, and I created this video so she can see how to access Google Hangout. Thank you for your time, and have a great night.